in Singapore, all of us are foodies. So knowing the food is knowing the people and our community as well. I'm Helen and I'm a cultural cooking instructor here. All of us here are not trained chefs. We are actually moms who cooks at home. And here we are helping our foreign friend tourists to cook Singapore heritage food.
There must be a lot of tourists coming to Singapore wanting to learn more about our cuisine. It's hard to find a cooking class that teach you local food. So for me, it was a no-brainer. The idea came from there and I thought, why not we hire stay-at-home mothers? They are natural storytellers. They learn cooking from their grandmas, from their parents. That was a perfect match.
So char kway teow simply means fried rice noodles. Beautiful. So try it. Who has tried it? Mark? Okay, you're 1 year late. You see, you're about a year already.
A lot of people are not aware that stay-at-home mothers do face a lot of challenges, especially those that want to come back to work. One of my objectives of Food Playground is to encourage other employers to give more opportunities to stay-at-home mothers. Find a way to work with this group of women. Yeah, they will surprise you with what they can do.
I'm very proud that I have the opportunity to share our heritage, our culture, our tradition. Food is a wonderful thing. It brings community together. And I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, when somebody enjoys what you're doing, it really gives you that satisfaction that somebody is going to spread the word about Singapore for you. That's really amazing. Yeah.